LeetCode 394 decode string. We are given an encoded string. We need to return its decoded format. So let's try to understand this with the help of example. We are given this string 3a to bc. So here we have to take bc two times, which are closed in this bracket. Now we have to take this 3a times, which are there. So our whole string will be 3a 2 times bc and bc. Now for the second string, we'll be having this. We'll be first computing this internal one, which is 2cc. Then our string will become acc, and it will be 3 times. So we'll be processing this acc 3 times, acc and acc. This will be our output. Now for the third one, it would be 2abc 2 times abc, 3 times cd, and ef 1 times. Now for the fourth one, abc is there, 3 times cd is there, and xyz. Let's try to, in this example, we are seeing that we are internally using this for solving the internal. We are solving the internal problem first, and then we are solving the overall complete problem. This gives an intuition about stack. Let's try to solve this problem for this string via stack. We'll keep this stack. We'll be doing two operations. One is, if we see this closing bracket, then we will be popping out something and we'll be doing some operations. When we are seeing any other symbol, we'll be simply pushing that symbol. Let's try to understand this with an example. Here, what we will be doing is, we are seeing the symbol 3, we'll push it into the stack. Now we'll be seeing the opening bracket, we'll push into the stack. Seeing A, we'll push into this stack. Now we'll be seeing 2, we'll be pushing this into the stack. Now we'll be seeing this opening bracket, we'll be pushing this into the stack. Now we'll be seeing this C, we'll be pushing this into the stack. Now we are seeing the closing bracket. On seeing the closing bracket, we will pop out all the values till we see opening bracket, because we know the string would be inside this opening and closing bracket. So what will we do? We have seen this closing bracket, we will pop out C and keep it here. Now we'll see the peak element, which is opening bracket, means our string is complete. We'll be popping out this opening bracket. Now we will be searching for the values. How many times we have to make the string. Now we will see this 2. We will pop out this 2. After popping out this 2, we are ready with one operation, which is 2 times c. So we will be passing this to a function, and our function would be returning us this, and we will be simply putting this into the stack. After doing this, now the next operation is closing bracket. On seeing this closing bracket, we'll be popping out this cc, then we'll be popping out this a and appending to the first of it, and next we are seeing the opening bracket, means our string has been completed. So what we'll be doing is, we'll be popping out this opening bracket and we'll search for the value. Our value is 3 times acc. So we'll be popping out this 3, and we will be making this value, we'll be making these value as acc, acc, and acc. These value we will push into the stack. Now we will be seeing this 2, we'll be pushing this 2 into the stack. We'll be seeing this opening bracket, push this opening bracket onto this stack, seeing this A, push into the stack, B, push into the stack, C, push into the stack. Now we are seeing this closing bracket. When we see closing bracket, we will pop out the word till we see the opening bracket. C, we have popped out, B we will pop out, and A we will pop out. Now we will be seeing this opening bracket means our string is our word is complete. Now we will be popping out its value, which is 2. So this 2 denotes we have to make 2 times ABC. So this ABC will be pushing this into this stack. Now we have 2 value into the stack. One is this, one is this. Now we are pushing this 3 into the stack. Then we are pushing the opening bracket, then C, then D, C, then D, and this closing bracket. There is a closing bracket means we have to pop out till we see the opening bracket. We'll be popping out the first element, which is D. Then we'll be popping out the second element, which is C. Now we'll be seeing this opening bracket means our word is complete. We will pop out this opening bracket also. Now for the next value, we'll search how many times. We'll pop out this value, which is 3. This will say that this is this many times. So it is 3 times CD. So we'll be giving it for processing. We'll be getting CD, CD, CD. And we'll be simply pushing this into the stack. So we have pushed 3 value. Now we'll be getting this E. Now we'll be getting this F. We have pushed everything into the stack. Now our string is complete. We'll be simply popping out in the reverse manner, and this will result in answer. Firstly, we'll be popping out the F. Now we'll be popping out E appending to the first of it. Now we'll be popping out this, which is CD, CD, and CD, and appending to the first of it. Now we'll be popping out this ABC, ABC. Now we'll be popping out this ACC, ACC, ACC. So this is our complete string, and our stack is empty now. This is our output. Let's try to see the code for this. What we will be doing is, we will take the result to return the result of the array. We'll take num for marking the number, how many times we want to do. We'll take this value k. Now we have taken this stack of string. In this, we'll be iterating through the entire string one by one. We'll be iterating through each character. If we are seeing this closing bracket, means we will do some operation, else we will simply push the character. If we are seeing the closing bracket, what we will do is, we'll fetch the word till opening bracket. This method will return us the word till the opening bracket is encountered. Now we'll be popping out the opening bracket. After that, we will be fetching the number. This fetch number will return us the number. It will fetch till it sees the character, which is between 0 to 1, 0 to 9. So it will give us the number, how many times this word should be. Now we will passing it to a method, make it k times. This will be returning us the string, which will make the word k times, and we'll be simply pushing this into the stack. After this entire loop, what we are left with, the result in the stack. Will pop out everything while the stack is not empty, and append it the first of it. Now let's see these 3 methods. The first method is make it k times. We are simply passing the string s and k. We will be iterating through 0 to less than k, which is k times, and we'll be appending the result s, and we'll be simply returning the result s. Boolean is num is we are checking if the value dot character at 0 is greater than equal to 0 and 9, which is its character value, then we'll be returning true, else we'll be returning false. Now this fetch word, what it will do is, we have passed stack into this. It will check if the peak element does not include the opening bracket, that is, it is not, while it is not equal to the opening bracket, it will fetch all the words one by one and append it to the front of it, and it will be returning the word after formed. Now fetch number is doing similar thing. What it is doing is, if it is checking the stack as size is greater than 0 and is number, if the peak element is number, then it is appending to it, else if it is not number, it will go out of the loop. Now it will convert this number, string number, into the integer part and will be returning this fetch number. So this is our entire code. So this is our entire code. Its time and space complexity are order of n. Thank you.